Olha, I'm going out with my friends. I want you cook this one. This is the best one. After, wash the dishes, mop the floor, because I'm going to have fun with my friends.
Sim, e por que você está falando inglês? Você sabe que eu não entendo?
I wish I could go with my friends. You know, but I said to her what I wanted to do. I said it.